Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not working on the application of Remitly app. We go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you will search about Remitly app and you will click here. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.